Hello students, I am meeting you after a long gap. Today I have decided to share with you a discussion which in grammar is called non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs, what does it mean? Non means not, finite means restricted by person, number and tense. So the forms of verbs which are not restricted by persons, numbers, or tense are called non-finite verbs. Non-finite are of three kinds: infinitive, gerund, and participle. Infinitives, first let's talk about the forms. Infinitives are formed by 2 plus the base form of the verb. Examples: to eat, to drink, to laugh, to love. Then for gerund, verb in present tense plus ing, and the same is also applicable to present participle. There is also verb in present tense plus ing. I am talking about the base form of the verb plus ing. And past participle, you have already learned about it, just like done, gone, eaten are past participles. And as both the base form verb plus ing are in present participle as well as gerund, how can you distinguish between the two? At first, for gerund, let me talk you. A gerund answers what and acts as a noun. Present participle is the verb acting as an adjective and answers the question how. So you have to put two questions, what and how. If it answers how, then it will be participle, present participle, and if it answers what, then it will be called gerund. Let's take an example. To smile is infinitive. To smile is to increase face value. It is the example. To smile, to increase are both infinitive as they are using to plus the base form of the verbs. And if we change it into gerund, smiling improves face value. To testify if it is at all gerund, let me ask you to remember that you have to put two questions. What improves face value? It is smiling, and it is acting as a noun, so it is a gerund. The girl came smiling. In this sentence, smiling is acting as an adjective and is also answering the question how. How did the girl come? The girl came smiling. So smiling in this sentence is present participle. Having smiled, the girl came. Here it is the usage of absolute participle, having or being plus V1 plus ing, that is the base form of the verb plus ing, should be called absolute participle, and smiled here is past participle. I think you have learned a little bit about non-finite verbs. Let me let you remember once again. To plus base form of the verb is infinitive. Verb used as noun, and the base form is used with ing and acting as a verb is called gerund. And if it uses as an adjective with verb plus ing, then it will be called present participle, and if it is is in its past participle form. Of course, it is past participle. Having talked about all this, let me let you remember that examination is knocking at your doorstep, and you will keep on practicing and convert one form to another, that is from infinitive to gerund and participle, and thereby learn transformation of sentence. It will also increase your way of talking, the speaking skillness, and will help you in your elocution and debate. And keep on practicing as much as possible from the exercises. And if you still find any problem, do ask me and I will surely help you. Thank you all. Have a nice day.